Is Google Chrome closing automatically as soon as you open it on your Windows 11 and 10? Don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, open Start menu and search Chrome. Right click on Google Chrome and select Open File Location. In the folder that's open, right click on the Chrome shortcut again and choose Open File Location one more time. Now right click the Chrome icon and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. After that, right click Chrome and choose Run as administrator to see if this issue is fixed. If Chrome opens but still crashes, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then click About Chrome. Wait for updates. Then click Relaunch. Click Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original default. Click Reset Settings. If the problem continues, uninstall by going to Settings Apps. Click Install Apps. Find Chrome. Click three dots and select Uninstall. Finally, open another browser like Microsoft Edge. Search for Chrome download, visit the official website and reinstall Chrome. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.